uh, joined this training for domestic RO on 4th to 6th March 25 in Baroda. ऑफलाइन ट्रेनिंग था सर के साथ बैठ के किया वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव द नॉलेज ऑफ सर इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड वेरी एक्सटेंसिव his explanation power is also very good convincing and he basically solved all the queries that we had which were related to water and domestic RO. I would definitely suggest if anyone is interested in this kind of a field to join it and make sure that without training you don't start into this profession. It is very very advisable. Secondly, I would say it's an intensive thing. So you don't want to leave it lightly, take it lightly that you finish 10 to 6 and then forget it. It is an hands-on training. You need to work, you need to read and practice. Then only I think the efforts given by Sir would be fruitful in developing our own career and business into this field. Okay? Thanks a lot.